Welcome to part one of our replacing or installing a pool heater series. This is part one, and we're going to start with removing your old pool heater. We're replacing this massive and inefficient pool heater with this low energy and low cost heat pump from Varman Pool. It comes in a variety of sizes, but this one in particular is rated for 13,000 gallons, and it's good for either an in-ground or above ground pool. We'll start by shutting off the pump and any breakers to any other components that you have. This particular pool has another heater, so we're going to shut down that breaker as well as the breaker to the pool pump. Now your first step is going to be disconnecting the electrical. You can do it a variety of ways. One will be to remove it from the inside like I'm doing here as we remove the panel. The other will be to do it from the breaker, which would be the easier route. Since we're replacing this pool heater, we weren't sure if we were going to be reusing those same wires or not, so we did it from the actual pool heater itself. But if you were to do it from the breaker, you would start by disconnecting the ground here as well as both hots here and here. The same rings true if you're going to be removing it from inside the panel. After you've tested it with a voltage tester or something similar, you'll remove the two hots as well as the ground, which is the green, and then remove it or pull it out of the heater like we're doing here. If yours is bolted to a concrete pad or on some pavers, now's a good time to remove those bolts or unscrew them. Next, we'll get a pair of grips here and we're going to release the inflow and outflow pipes. They do have quite a bit of pressure on them, so it was much easier using these. Expect a little bit of water to come out of the pipes, but it stops pretty soon, and then after that, you are completely free to remove the heater. As you can see, this one is very heavy and it took two people and a dolly to get it out of there. We are very much looking forward to installing the newer, lighter, and much more energy efficient pump. But now you have some decisions to make, almost like a choose your own ending. If you're going to be replacing the pool heater, stick around and we'll show you how to install the other one. If you're not, then you can do a couple of things. One would be just to cap off those pipes where they're at right now. Maybe you bury them, maybe you cut them back a little bit to closer to where they're coming from. Or you could replumb this all together like the schematic shows here and take your pipes directly into your chlorinator or directly into your swimming pool. The option is yours, but if you've made it this far, I have complete faith that you'll be able to do it. So hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with any questions or concerns, and have a great day.